Good morning, children. Today we are learning 16th chapter, grammar, 8th standard, first language, English. Verbs and prepositions are hand in hand. Verbs and prepositions hand in hand. Sometimes we use certain verbs with prepositions to convey a specific meaning. Here are a few examples of some verbs and prepositions which go hand in hand. We'll see that example, accompanied with. If you are using accompanied with, you have to write it with something. That's the meaning something. The cheering of the crowd was accompanied with clapping. The cheering of the crowd was accompanied with clapping. Next one is accompanied by. Accompanied by a person. The President of India was accompanied by all the cabinet ministers. You know the difference? This is with something, with some person. The President of India was accompanied by all the cabinet ministers. Third one, capable of. If you write capable, it should come of. These artists are capable of performing for hours at a stretch. So capable verb of, that is a preposition. These artists are capable of performing for hours at a stretch. Coincide verb with. That is preposition. Coincide with. To accord with. His ideas about democracy do not coincide with the ideas of others in the group. Now cling verb to. That is preposition. To stick to. The fishermen decided to cling to their plan and to go out fishing through the sea, though the sea was rough. So cling to, that is to stick on, to stick to. The fishermen decided to cling, that is stick to, cling to, stick to, that is their plan, and go out fishing though the sea was rough. Condemn to, here also, if you write condemn immediately to the preposition. Imprisonment, death. Hari was condemned to 1 year of imprisonment for pickpocketing. So Hari was condemned to 1 year imprisonment for pickpocketing. Confident verb of a preposition. Saina Nehwal was confident of winning the badminton tournament at Singapore. Saina Nehwal was confident of winning the badminton tournament at Singapore. Count on, that is depend on. Count, if you write on, should come. I can count on my friends to help me overcome difficulties in life. Now if you write differ verb, then use the preposition with. To disagree with. Reena differed with her friends on going to Shimla during the weekend. Differ on, differ over. Anyone you can use. You can write differ on or differ over. To disagree on some issue. That is this is with the people. This is a disagree with them. Then this is with some issue. The class monitor and the discipline monitor differ on many issues. Differ from. So first differ with, differ on or differ over. And here differ from, to be unlike, that is different from other. Girls differ from boys in their likes and dislikes. Deprive verb of a preposition to prevent someone from doing or having something. The children were deprived of sports facilities in the school due to lack of space. Then 13, eligible for, fit to be selected. Only experienced sales girls are eligible for this job. Engaged in, taking part in, or being busy in. The children are engaged in the science project. Engaged to, that is engaged to someone for the purpose of marriage. That is engaged to. Others is engaged to Amrita, an interior decorator. Exempt from, that is free from. Underprivileged children were exempted from paying a laboratory fees. Grieve at, to feel sad about. Grieve, verb at preposition. She was grieving at the sudden death of her uncle in a car accident. Grumble, verb, about preposition. To complain about. The residents of the colony were grumbling about long power cuts. Heir to, that is successor to. Yuvraj Bhima was the heir to the throne of Kalyanapur. Injurious to, that is harmful to. And chewing tobacco is injurious to health and it may cause cancer. The indebted to, that is a verb and then preposition, then that is a meaning obliged to someone for a favor. Gauri was indebted to her uncle for bringing her up well after the death of her parents. Then 22nd, ignorant of, that is having no knowledge of. Ramesh is ignorant of the rules and the regulations of the school and often gets into trouble. Indifferent to, that is unconcerned with. The union leader is indifferent to the problems of laborers working in the production unit. Involved in, to be busy with. He was completely involved in his project last month. Moved with pity. Mother Teresa was moved with pity when she saw the poor condition of the sick lepers. Marvel at, that is to wonder at. When I reached Shimla, I marveled at the beauty of the snow-capped mountains. Occupied with, busy with some people. The manager is occupied with some new clients of the bank. Overcome with, to be completely controlled by, to be made helpless by. Both the meanings are there, to be completely controlled by or to be made helpless by. Nisha was overcome with the joy when her daughter won the first prize in the fashion show. Then operate on. The doctor operated on her injured eye. Participate in. The teacher encouraged the children to participate in the cultural program. Part with a thing, that is to give something. She did not ever part with her engagement ring. Part from a person. When she left the boarding school, she was upset to part from her friends. Then next, preside over a meeting, a function. The principal presided over the annual function of the school. Proud of, my parents are proud of me. Refrain from, avoid doing something. Children should refrain from talking in the class while the teacher is teaching. Relevant to, the details in the essay were relevant to the topic my favorite sport. Surprised at, she was surprised at the courage of the village boy who fought the leopard all alone. Submit to obey, to give it into. The children finally submitted to the new regulations for football coaching. Then succeed to, Aurangzeb succeeded to the throne after Shah Jahan was imprisoned. Surrender to, that is to yield to, that is the criminal surrendered to the police after a fierce fight. Vain of, proud of. A lady who is vain of her beauty is not admired by all. Then warn of something. The residents were warned of suspicious strangers seen in the colony. Wait on, to attend. The nurse waited on the patient with great care. Worthy of, the boy's performance in class is worthy of praise. Withdraw from, my uncle withdrew from the welfare organization because he fell sick and could not devote much time later. Now fill in the blanks and with the appropriate preposition, the teacher was accompanied by many students when she visited the museum. The little girl is of capable of performing on the stage without a final training. Then parents can count on the children for care and support during old age. The little boy deferred a dash from his brother about going to the zoo during holidays. Sachin Tendulkar was exempted from paying customs duty on the new car that was gifted to him by a fan. Then Meena is ignorant. Meena is ignorant of all, ignorant of the ill effects of eating junk food. Ganesh was overcome with sorrow when he lost his precious watch gifted by grandpa a day before he had died. Then we should refrain from spitting in public places. Children should be then warned against talking to stranger. I waited. I waited on my garden when she was sick. I waited on my grandma. I waited on my grandma when she was sick. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition from the brackets. That is, Rocky was vain. Rocky was vain of her intelligence, which others did not like. Here about her of, that is off. The acrobat's performance was worthy about her of, the, which is correct, of praise, worthy of praise. The headline was relevant, dash, the event that was described to or with, to. As an eminent actor presented on or over the award function, over. An eminent actor presented over the award function. Winnie is engaged, dash, preparing for the debate. So here, then what is that? In preparing, engaged in preparing for the debate. Then make sentences with the words given in the box eligible. That is eligible. Then here, grumble about, involved in, participate in, indifferent to, operate on, surprised at, grieve at. What is the value corner? My parents are proud of me. Underline the verb with the preposition in the above sentence. That is, are proud of me. How will you make your parents feel proud of you? By being good. Yeah, that is eligible for. You are eligible for a giving entrance test for this position. Then grumble at her. She keeps grumbling about the low quality facilities given to her in the hostel. Involved in. He couldn't attend the meeting because he was involved in some important project. Participate in. I am eager to participate in the dance competition. Indifference to. That the political leaders are indifferent to people's troubles. Operate on. Then the surgeon operated on her leg, on her injured leg. Surprised at. I was surprised at the rude manner of. I was surprised at the rude manner in which she was talking to you. Grieve at. It is useless to grieve at something that is already gone. Okay, children. I believe then this because we have to use the preposition along with the words, then you better refer dictionary also for more words. Thank you.